guys, कैसे हो? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Reporting live here from Delhi. Last night I really wanted to put everything out to start my edit, but then I gave up. I was really tired yesterday. Just closed everything, and hotel beds are so tempting. You know that. Peaches said that a bed was like, dude, come fast, and that's it. I closed everything, went and jumped in there. Literally, I slept around 1:40 or something. Time is 8:40 now, and oh my god, I mean, look at the view, dude. See, basically this is called Aerocity. Aerocity is just like 3 or 4 kilometers from the airport. Very convenient. Do your work in Delhi and get out like within 5-10 minutes. You'll be in the airport. And the thing is, you'll have amazing next level hotels everywhere in Aerocity. Like every building here is a luxury 5-star hotel. They booked Novotel for me, which is not my preference, but chalo yaar, Novotel is also good. And then opposite, we have Hyatt as well. You see that? So today I have to finish my work. Let's do some work here. Maybe spend one more day extra. Let's see, tomorrow also I might extend. I'm trying to meet 1 or 2 of my YouTuber friends. I think they are free today. So yes, let's see if everything is done today. Tomorrow we'll exit. Before that, let's go have some breakfast. It's the breakfast situation right there. This is the issue. If it is a Sunday and if you come around 9 o'clock, that's like a peak hour in many hotels. Everything is full. I have to wait for 10 minutes. Waiting 10 minutes like this solo is irritating, dude. In case you guys have seen my Instagram story already, see, that is the reason you have to follow me on Instagram. It is Sriman Kotaru, this one. Follow me there because there I keep posting instant updates. Well, not always, but most of the time I try doing that, and I'm trying to improve that a lot. And in the Instagram story I was saying, this is the kind of lighting we need. Garpe also I need something like this. Doesn't matter which side I look, it's going to look amazing. You see this nice border over here? This properly reflects on me and everything looks so nice and lit up, like studio level. No, you know what? See, whenever we YouTubers we go to hotels, the worst thing we get is internet speed. Doesn't matter how much of a fancy hotel you go, there you get like 1 Mbps. If you want 2 Mbps, you have to pay. If you want 10 Mbps, they'll ask you to get a checkbook. If you want 100 Mbps, they'll ask you to sell your house. Joke aside, thing is, surprisingly, the speed here is next level, dude. This is the highest I've seen in any hotel. Anyways, when I travel, I stopped relying on hotels Wi-Fi because it's always around 1 or 2 Mbps max. It's better if you can use your phone internet. That is much better. At least 5 Mbps you'll get it. And as per my experience, Airtel has the best coverage in terms of internet. That view is amazing, right? Even I didn't realize it. Also, you might have already understood that it's night and I was not able to meet any of my YouTuber friends here. They also wanted to meet, but unfortunately, it was too short of a notice. They said if I can extend my stay 1 more day, we'll all meet tomorrow and plan something. But then my flight is already booked. I have to go back home. Today, I took a good opportunity and sat and finished my edit. I'm glad, I'm happy that I've got a lot of work done today. Then I took a nice power nap. Went down to the gym, worked out for proper strict 1 hour cardio. In case you people have been following me on Instagram, I put a post about Q&A. It's a perfect place. No one is there. All empty pada hai. I think it is the right place, the right time to do the Q&A. Let's hit it with the first question. Okay, this time I asked you people to keep the questions very, very interesting. I said outstandingly, something like that. And you people actually kept it outrageously interesting. Okay, let's start with the first question. Why did my drawing go from your bedroom to another? I seriously don't remember what drawing are you talking about. Now the second question, why are you not doing vlogs with Rohit and Srujan bro? Just because, see, first thing you people need to understand, just because they are not in the square here, because they are not in this frame, doesn't mean we are enemies. People are assuming some stupid things. They got busy with their work, they have their own life, right? I can't force someone to please come into my vlog. Srujan is married now, he's got a wife, he has to be there. He can't keep hanging around with me all the time, all his life. My priorities also change, your priorities also gonna change. I'm also trying to spend a lot of time at home. I want to spend a lot of time with Naisha. That's it, yeah. I want to clarify this. Everything is absolutely fine. We're all still friends, we talk. This is one thing I hate about YouTube, you know. People keep assuming a lot of wrong things. Favorite Tollywood actor? I have 2-3 favorites in no particular order. I like Ram Charan, I like Allu Arjun, and I like Junior NTR. Ela anna anta style ga secret ento maaku chepparade. Usage of Mamaearth products. Yes, correct. Natural beauty rabujje. Do Chaitanya home tour. Arey, pakko lillu gurinchi manaki enduku rabujje. I didn't even do my home tour till now. Will you buy BMW X5 bro? Paisa do. Give money. I will buy today. Do you understand how much is BMW X5, dude? It is a crazy 1 crore. 1 crore. Do you know how many sunnas are there for 1 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4. It will take time. We will achieve it one day. And the day we get it, it's definitely gonna be here on this vlogs, right? So just wait for it. Bless me. And by the way, for now, X5 is my favorite. It doesn't mean it should be my favorite forever. It might change when newer cars come. What about Kotaru Sriman channel? Any update? Do you mean this guy? ఓయ్ గాయకి అంటే గూప్ పగిలిపోద్ది. తమ్ముళ్ళు నా గురించి మాట్లాడుతారు, తెలుగు బ్లాగ్స్ ఎందుకు చేస్తలేవు అని అడుగుతారు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్ప ఆన్సర్ చక్కగా. మొత్తం ఆన్గోలే ఉంటుంది, ఏదో ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తానే ఉంటాడు. నేను ఏమైనా రోజుకి అడుగుతురా, వారానికి ఒకటి, నెలకు ఒకటి, పోనీ సంవత్సరంకి ఒకటైనా పెట్టా పో. I don't want to promise anything about the channel, but I will try to do some vlogs there. Don't ask me when and why, but I will try. What will be the name of the street twin? I was getting a call from an insurance company almost every single day. I used to think they're calling me for the Tigers insurance. They told me, sir, your Tigers insurance. I was like, stop. I know. Tiger, I sold it. Your street twin insurance is also about to expire. I was like, dude, when is it? Tomorrow. Oh shit. I was like, thank God I took the call. Street twin is literally 1 year old. The insurance also expired. Immediately went and checked how many kilometers I'd done. We didn't even touch 2000 kilometers on it, which is a shame. If I ride it every day, you'll have a proper nice connect with the bike and definitely you'll get a name for it. But we don't do it, right? Where is your next international trip going to be? If you're talking about the bike international trip, I don't have any interest to do a bike international trip riding from Hyderabad to an international destination. I know I have the BMW GS Adventure and all that, but I definitely enjoy rides, but I don't want to get away from home for 3 months, 4 months, and maybe that will change after 2 or 3 years, or maybe in the next month. I'm not sure. And if you're talking about generally international destination by flight and all that, yes, I wanted to travel international because life is short. There are a lot of countries to explore. 2 years mein to COVID came and smashed everything out. Now again everything is opening up, so I wanted to use this time. Naisha is also young, so I want to take her as well. Before proper schooling and all that starts, I want to take them out, do at least 2 to 3 international trips in the next 1 year. That's a big plan. Let's see. What is your job ante? अरे सिनेमा మొత్తం చూసి ఐ एम अ यूट्यूबर फुल टाइम. अभी तो गेम चल रहा. Everything is working good. As long as it's working good, we are good. One thing you missed in the BMW that was there in the Tiger. Very interesting question, buddy. Love from Kerala. Thank you so much. It's very difficult to compare both of these bikes because Tiger is an all-rounder. BMW does specific things beautifully, especially the ride quality and all that is next level. But yeah, honestly I'm thinking what is there. I think I've not had enough experience with the BMW yet. I've done only like 5000 kilometers, just one huge trip, Hyderabad to Ladakh and back to Delhi, that too. I think I need to spend more time with the bike so that I can find proper crazy differences between the Tiger and the BMW. So now I think both bikes are, I don't miss anything in the BMW. It's a proper nice package, heavily loaded with every damn electronic I need. In fact, Tiger mein there were a few flaws. When are you gonna do South India rides, Anna? Soon. Riding season is gonna start. October, November, December, Jan till Feb. Almost 4 to 5 months properly we can ride. So at least monthly one trip though I'll do. Any plans for second kid? Me and my wife are very happy with one kid. Let's not grow the population outrageously like that. At least now, if you're asking me, genuinely, I generally somehow I don't like to talk too much about future. What are your future plans? Where do you want to see yourself? This is the most irritating. I hate this question in interviews. I know it means a lot for an HR. No, nothing against them, but my personal feeling, okay? Because you get to learn a lot about the candidate when you ask him his future plans. I understand that. I hate to answer that. Arre kal ka pata nahi hai yaar. And you people are asking me for second kid. Shriman bhai, how YouTube has changed your life? Very important, and YouTube has changed every damn thing in my life, yaar. That small app that you see on your screen, it's a small app for you for entertainment, but for me it gave me a lot of opportunities. It gave me a lot of options in life. It gave me all these things. I get to ride bikes, I get to travel, I get to do what I really love doing, what I enjoy doing. It doesn't feel like work. Responding to emails, talking to brands, doing all that, that is what I enjoy doing. And especially when someone is paying for your hotel room, your flight charges, everything, all you have to do is come and vlog. It is definitely a dream job. ఒకటే రా బై, ప్లీజ్ దిష్టి కొట్టి దాన్ని పాడి చేయకండి నాకు, ప్లీజ్. And my subscribers are not like that. They'll give me only blessings. Thank you for all the positivity, people. By the way, you know what, when you're alone you tend to watch such movies. This is a Telugu movie dubbed in Hindi. If you guys ask me what is the most irritating question I keep getting, that is definitely what is your next trip. I also wanted to answer that if I knew it. నాకే తెలియదు. We definitely keep thinking about a trip like at least 1 month in advance, but then we don't know where. We think next month we'll do a ride, and then when the date is coming close and there's like just 2 or 3 days left, then we plan a destination. Bro, what is the best adventure bike in a budget of 3 lakhs? If my budget was 3 lakhs today and I wanted to go get an adventure bike, I would probably think about 2 or 3 options. It's definitely going to be the Himalayan, and the second option would be the BMW 310. One is definitely super expensive to maintain, the BMW obviously. If budget is not much of a concern, then definitely go for the BMW because ride quality is definitely better. If you want value for money and all that, then definitely the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Someone said Seltos GTX plus 1.4 turbo DCT mileage enta anna. You're wrong. You didn't spell it right. It is Kia Seltos. You missed Kia. Better luck next time. Shriman, what is your position in Google? And we have to need your perfect home tour. I started as a very basic process associate, and later I was almost selected to be a trainer, but that is the time I couldn't work at a corporate, somehow that kicked in. I wanted to get out. So I did not take that trainer job. I left. Ever thought of venturing into track riding? Yes. I wanted to definitely explore off-roading and track riding. Straight 4-lane endurance rides, bore ho gaya abhi. What if Apple sponsored you? Oh! If you're left over on an island and you need to pick only one among vlogging or having food, what's your pick? I'll have my food, sleep, get up and vlog. When we gonna see fully upgraded Beast 1250 GS Adventure? It is almost upgraded, everything is there on it. I need to just put those lights and a few chota accessories, that's it. We are good to go. When will you buy a Super Sport? Next purchase and the last purchase of a bike is definitely gonna be a Super Sport. Only thing is when. My big doubt is how do you manage to buy such expensive things? Is it from YouTube and investments, or is there any other business you run? I have gold mines. Wasn't Tiger 1200 your choice? No, not at all. When did I say that? Even if I did somehow in one of my blogs, at least the new one is not available. What will be your decision if YouTube shuts down? Coming. I'll answer you. Wait. Nathan with a good day. To be honest, we have no idea. It's gonna be tough because I don't have a plan B right now. But I'm pretty sure once you're confident and strong enough here, no matter what, all these platforms, YouTube, Instagram, all these are just platforms. The main platform is not those. This is your main platform and you can make things happen. Just have confidence on yourself, have self-confidence, believe in yourself, and you can achieve wonders. YouTube is not everything. Of course, it is everything for me right now, but if something happens in future, we'll not stand like this at a dead end and watch the wall. We'll break through the wall and do something else. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this Q&A session. I think I'll end the vlog here. I did not answer every question. There are like almost 500 questions. Maybe we'll do a version 2 later. For now, I'll start packing up because tomorrow morning I'll have to leave. Flight is at around 12 o'clock, 2:45, which means 3 hours early we have to go in Delhi. It seems every other airport in India 2 hours chalega, but here you should go at least 3 hours pehle because it is mad crowded. By the way, the airport is just like 3-4 kilometers from here, literally behind. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do, right? You know, right? Do hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Subscribe is absolutely free. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.